it's your girl like I'm Nida, aka the hair goddess. I've got good things for you. I have amazing gifts for you right here. So MegaGrowth has this free neutralizing shampoo in every pack of MegaGrowth relaxers that you buy. So if you're buying the 6 touch-up pack, you definitely have 6 free packs of neutralizing shampoo. If you're buying the 2 touch-up pack, you also have 2 free neutralizing shampoo right in there. So hurry, go get yours now. Now, unlike other brands that just put 1 neutralizing shampoo in a pack that contains maybe 2 relaxers, MegaGrowth has gone a step higher to give you free neutralizing shampoo in your relaxer pack. So the topic for today is neutralizing shampoo.
Let's go. I'ma keep winning till the world stops spinning. I'ma keep winning till the world stops spinning. I'ma keep winning till the world stops spinning. I'ma keep winning till the world stops. Independent women, let's go. Keep it up with me, come on. Winning till the world stops spinning.
Now, most people relax their hair and use bathing soap to wash the hair afterwards. Some use dishwash. Some people use detergent. I have seen a lot of people use different things on their hair. And some people do this out of ignorance. You know, they just don't know the damage they are causing to your hair. While others do it despite the fact that they know that it's not good for the hair. They really don't know the depth of damage they are causing to the hair. The truth is this. It is only a neutralizing shampoo that can stop the process of chemical straightening whenever you apply relaxers to your hair. No other shampoo contains ingredients that can stop the straightening effect of relaxer on your hair. So when next you relax your hair, ensure that you use a neutralizing shampoo. I have these 2 neutralizing shampoo in different packaging. And I've been receiving some comments. People have been asking which is original, which is fake. The truth is that these 2 products are original. They're not fake. This particular one is the neutralizing shampoo you get to see in the 1 and 2 touch-up, while this other one is the one you get to see in the 6 and 7 touch-up pack. So they're both from MegaGrowth. It's just different packaging for different SKUs. I hear someone asking this question, why do I really need to use a neutralizing shampoo? I'm going to give you 4 benefits of using a neutralizing shampoo. The first one is this. Neutralizing shampoo is the only shampoo that contains the ingredients that can halt the relaxing process. Without a neutralizing shampoo, you will not be able to stop the straightening process of relaxer on the hair. The second thing you need to know is that neutralizing shampoo can help prevent breakage. If you're relaxed and you don't use neutralizing shampoo, chances are that your hair will break easily because you still have relaxer residue in your hair that will keep processing until the hair eventually breaks. So you need neutralizing shampoo to prevent breakage. The third reason why you need to use a neutralizing shampoo is that it is the only shampoo that can bring back the pH of your hair from the alkaline pH of relaxing to the normal hair pH, which is 4.4 to 4.5. And if your hair is not at that normal pH, then it is more prone to dryness and breakage. And finally, using a neutralizing shampoo gives you the assurance of grooming a healthy, relaxed hair. With a neutralizing shampoo, you will have a beautiful hair that is strong inside and beautiful outside. So how do you use a neutralizing shampoo? That's another question. I've seen a couple of stylists apply neutralizing shampoo to hair that still has visible relaxer residue on. That is going to prolong the neutralizing process. What you do is to apply neutralizing shampoo only after rinsing out every visible trace of relaxer on the hair. That way, the neutralizing shampoo can work directly on the hair strands to stop the relaxing process, and you will get to realize that you will neutralize your hair faster than you would have if you still had visible relaxer residue on the hair. So when you're neutralizing your hair, it's important that you apply the neutralizing shampoo from the roots to the ends and massage it into the hair. Allow it to sit for 1 minute before rinsing off. You are going to take note of the color of the lather. When the lather is pink, it means that there is a lot of relaxer residue in the hair. So you have to keep washing with the neutralizing shampoo until the lather changes color to white. This process is repeated at least 3 times. At the 3rd wash, you should have a white lather, and at that point, it's an indication that your hair is free from every form of relaxer residue. Once you're done with that, it's also very important for you to check the nape area behind the ear area, because relaxers get to hide at this area sometimes. So you check to ensure that the hair is clean and free from every form of relaxer residue. After which you can go ahead, blot the hair, towel dry it, and apply your deep conditioner and proceed with your styling service. Every pack of MegaGrowth relaxer comes with free neutralizing shampoo, like I told you earlier. So whenever you buy a pack of MegaGrowth relaxer, you will definitely have neutralizing shampoos in it. And you can get the relaxer on Jumia. You can get it in modern trade stores like ShopRite, City Malls. You can get them in all of these places I've mentioned. You can even get them in the markets too, traditional markets. So go get your pack of relaxer and free neutralizing shampoo right in there. In this video, we have learned about how to neutralize our hair using the MegaGrowth neutralizing shampoo. We've also learned about the benefits of using a neutralizing shampoo. So please do not use bathing soap to wash your hair. Do not use hand wash or dishwash to wash your hair after relaxing. You need a neutralizing shampoo, because that is the only shampoo that can stop the straightening process of relaxing on your hair. I'd like you to share your comments with me in the comment section, like this video, and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Bye!